Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So most people freeze when they see two variables and no clear equation for A and B. But with the right identity, this becomes a one-line problem. So what is given? A square plus B square 7, AB is 3 and we have to find A plus B. So we will use the identity A plus B whole square here, which is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So A plus B whole square is equals to A square plus B square is 7 plus 2 times AB is 3. So A plus B whole square is 7 plus 6. A plus B whole square is 13, or A plus B is plus minus root 13. So what looks like two unknown is actually one expression away from the answer. So Olympiad problems often hide simple pattern behind scary algebra. So A plus B is plus minus root 13. Elegant, right? So stick with me for more problems that look tough but crack beautifully with identities. Like and subscribe for next part for our Olympiad series. Thank you so much.